To set up proxies on your iPhone with Potatso, launch the application. Then tap on the Add a Proxy button. Under the Manual Input section, choose Add. Now it's time to get proxy details. You can choose any proxy type. But today, I will use mobile proxies. Head to Decodo dashboard. Under Proxies, select Mobile. In the Proxy Setup tab, click on Create User. Type in the username of your choice and hit Add. The password will be generated for you. Now choose a preferred proxy user, location, session type, and proxy protocol. Below, you will find the generated endpoints. Copy one and go back to the Potatso application. In the Type section, select HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS5. Then in the Host field, enter the endpoint address, and in the Port field, the port number. For authentication, choose Password. Then enter your proxy credentials in the respective fields. Once you're finished, tap Save at the top right corner. To enable the proxy, hit the play icon. Select Allow and enter your iPhone passcode if prompted, so the application can apply the configurations. To see if the proxy is working, visit any IP checker website. If your current IP address and location differ from the original ones, proxy setup has been successful. That's all you need to know to set up proxies with Potatso. Want to start anonymous browsing right away? Get mobile proxies with the link in the description. For more proxy setup guides, visit Decodo YouTube channel and documentation.